At this point, we've acquired Metasploit, and now we're just going to do a setup on it. Now, I'm doing this setup under Linux, although it's reasonably straightforward, works pretty much the same under Windows. It's a pretty standard, straightforward installation. So I'm going to run the Metasploit installer. I need to have administrative privileges, which is why I'm running the sudo command here. And I need the administrative privileges so that we can install in all the correct directories. So this is a Java-based installer. And you can see here that we're just going to do a pretty straightforward accept the agreement, forward, select where it's going to go. And it wants to know if I want to install Metasploit as a service. And yes, I do. That's really going to give me access to the web interface on a regular basis. So as soon as the computer starts up, the web interface is actually going to start. So now at this point, Metasploit is going to install. It's going to install all of the command line utilities, which is primarily what we're going to be using. It's also going to be installing the web interface components as well. And I'll give you a look at the web interface components once they are finished and we've got it up and running. We'll take a quick look at the web interface in an upcoming lesson, but primarily we're going to be working with the command line tools as we move forward doing the various things that we're going to be doing with Metasploit here. So we're just going to let Metasploit install. It's installing a pretty significant chunk of files onto the file system here. So we're going to let that run, and we're going to go into how to use Metasploit coming up in upcoming lessons.